purchase it. Number 5 is the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer. If you want to unleash your fashionista creativity and bring your clothing designs to life, the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer deserves a spot in your wardrobe of tools. This stylish printer is a true trendsetter, offering a DIY kit for the fashion-forward DIY enthusiast or a fully built and tested option for those who prefer ready-to-wear technology. With its cutting-edge features, the MK3S Plus takes the runway by storm. The printer's IR filament sensor adds a touch of sophistication, automatically pausing your print when your filament runs out, avoiding any fashion faux pas along the way. Designed for durability, the MK3S Plus boasts genuine Gates belts and Bondtech drive gears that work together seamlessly, like a well-coordinated outfit. The EINSY Rambo motherboard brings stability and reliability to the runway, allowing you to print your garments confidently. To sweeten the deal, the kit includes a free sample of Prusament PLA, the perfect fabric for your 3D creations. With 2x25G of filament, you can add a splash of color and texture to your designs right from the start. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for clothes. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sublimation focused channel for more amazing upcoming videos.